Hi, I'm Jeff with jeffsuggs.com, and today I want to do a review on Google Fi and Google Voice. Those are essentially two different services, but I like to use them both to combine to get the most out of it and greater benefits and flexibility with it. First, I'll discuss Google Fi. Google Fi is a phone service provider by Google, and they have flexible plans and unlimited plans, and I'll discuss that with you. And basically they work off of the T-Mobile cell towers, and in the past I believe I don't know if they still currently do that, but they use multiple providers. If T-Mobile is a weak connection in certain areas, that they may use US Cellular, and they used to be Sprint, but I believe Sprint and T-Mobile are combined now. So US Cellular and T-Mobile, I believe Google Fi still uses, and it's a great service. I've been with them for years. I've been a big fan of the Pixel phones, but it also works with other phones like Samsung and iPhones. And it's a very good service I like to use. And with the unlimited plan that I have, it comes with 100 gigabits per month. And if you go over the 100 gigabits, it'll slow down to kilobits, which is really slow. So I don't want to do that, but the 100 gigabits seems like it's a lot of space, a lot of that data for a user, and I like that they offer that. And that's that. And for each line that you add as a family plan onto your Google Fi service, it gets cheaper. I may put the price in the description or in this video at the current price. But now with Google Voice, that's another service, and I combine the two together, and I'll try to show you how. Google Voice is a free service that you can use for personal use or business. Business, you may pay a little bit of money for it, but for personal use, it's free. You can get a free number, or you can port your existing phone number that everyone is used to calling to your Google Voice, and you can use it that way. There's different ways of doing it, whatever works best for you. But Google Voice, how I use it is I ported my original phone number that I had on my cell originally to the Google Voice cloud. Google Voice is a cloud service based voice over IP service, and I ported my main number over to the cloud. So what I can do is I can make calls from any of my devices, whether it be my phone, my tablet, my PC, or whatever connected device that accepts the Google Voice app or web browser. And I like that flexibility, so I can make calls and text from either one of those devices. And so if I lose my phone or missing it, or it needs to charge, I can simply use a different device to send that same text message that someone may have replied to me or sent me a message. I can respond on a different device, so it's in sync. The text messages go wherever all your devices are, and that's what I like about that. And how I use that is another way. Let me think. So with Google Fi, after I imported my main number that I use in the cloud with Google Voice, Google Fi gave me a different number, a different local number for the device itself, for the phone device itself. And what I did was they give you the option to forward your main number to an alternative number. So what I did was I forwarded my default number on my Google Fi phone to my original number that's now in the cloud, my Google Voice number. And how that works, one way is that if someone calls either one of those numbers, it'll still reach all of my devices, and I like that very much. I seldomly use the default number on the Google phone itself, so I just pretty much operate with the Google Voice app and use it as a data only call, Wi-Fi or data only, and it doesn't take up much data. It doesn't seem like. But another option would be if you don't want to use the mobile data with your Google Voice number, is that you can set your Google Voice number to use your phone carrier's default number on Google Fi, and it'll basically use your cell minutes, or if you have unlimited plan, it'll just go through your phone service provider instead of using your mobile data. I like that option also, but I mainly like to operate on mobile data and Wi-Fi for some reason, or whatever. I just enjoy that better. It's more easier for me. I'm gonna go ahead and ring my number, and it's gonna ring my 3 devices that I have connected to that number: my computer, my tablet, and my phone. So here we go. So as you can see, all 3 devices are ringing. I can answer on either one. I can answer on the computer, the phone, or the tablet. I'm gonna go ahead and answer on the tablet. Hello. Testing. I'm gonna go ahead and hang it up. And that's with the same Google Fi number. Google Voice number. One thing I'd like to mention with using Google Voice as your main provider or phone number to make calls on is that as a voice over IP number, you're not allowed to make, you can't really make emergency calls, or you can't dial 911 using your Google Voice number. You would have to actually use the main number on your carrier if you have it on your actual Google Fi service or provider. The main number on that carrier number, you have to use that to make emergency calls. To sign up for your Google Voice number, you can simply go to voice.google.com on a web browser and create a new number with your existing Google account, or you can create a Google account first and then go to voice.google.com and set up your new number, and you can get started that way. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it's been helpful information. If you have any further questions or need help setting it up, please feel free to reach out to me at jeffsuggs.com and create a ticket. Click on the create a ticket or click the help icon and submit a ticket, and I can help walk you through how to set that up. Thank you.